It's harvest time for Bruce Wright on his family farm in Bozeman, Montana.
We grow some wheat and barley and hay and peas and some sunflowers, and then a specialty oat that we're working on.
That specialty oat now covers 150 acres of land here. And for a farm with roots dating back to the 1800s, that oat is changing the future for this farmer and for thousands of people who suffer from gluten sensitivity.
The oats are special because they are a variety that was developed by Montana State University. And what we found in these oats is that they are a hull-less variety of oat, and they're very low in allergens. And oats in general don't have any gluten in them, so we can take these oats and process these oats and make them into oatmeal and porridge and flour and stuff that can be eaten by people who have gluten sensitivities.
Gluten is a natural protein composite found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. It gives texture and elasticity to dough. It's also used as a flavor enhancer and thickener, which means you'll find it in everything from soups to salad dressings. Gluten-free labeling on products at the supermarket is important for those suffering from celiac disease, which is associated with intolerance to gluten in grains.
The demand is growing because the awareness of celiac disease and gluten intolerance is growing. Now the doctors are becoming more aware of celiac disease, gluten intolerance, so it's becoming more diagnosed and more people are paying attention.
Producing this product is high-tech, high-cost, and high-science. The combines used to harvest these oats won't be used for other crops for fear of cross-contamination. The oats are hauled to a processing plant to pass through a series of cleanings and crushings.
From there it goes into the second cleaner, does more of the same thing, cleans it out, goes from that second screening machine into a series of stacked indent cleaners. Then it goes up into the roller mill. That's what takes and rolls the oat into a flake and what we usually call oatmeal.
And for those consumers wanting gluten-free blueberry pancakes, Bruce and others can stop by Bozeman's Main Street Over Easy restaurant.
It is really gratifying. When you talk to somebody who hasn't been able to eat a bread or something like that, they're so happy to be able to have that again. They really, really appreciate their food. I love what I do. I love being able to grow things. I love to be out here in the countryside, in the beautiful scenery, one of the most beautiful spots. I'm so lucky to get to work here.